Top 5 print on demand niche research episode 28. Let's go. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, we're gonna continue with the 28th episode of the top 5 print on demand niche research of the week. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Before we get into it, I just want to quickly announce that for the giveaway that we did on the 6th, that was supposed to end on the 6th, I remember telling you guys that you have to purchase specifically the annual and lifetime plans, Vexels plans for you to be considered for the giveaway. So I don't know if you guys didn't hear me correctly, but all of you who purchased were going for the monthly plans. So monthly plans was not for the giveaway, and that is why unfortunately no one has received a refund for their purchase. I made it specifically clear. You can go back to that video and watch it right here. Vexels review poster huge giveaways. I made it specifically clear that it's for the lifetime and annual plans and not any plans other than those two. And I don't know if people didn't hear me right, but many people who were using my link were going for the monthly plans. So it's quite unfortunate, but no one, as of now, no one has received a refund for their purchase. So without out of the way, I also want to quickly announce that at the end of this video, we're going to continue with, we're going to choose the winner for last week's giveaway. That's the comment section winner. Yeah, we're going to run a giveaway for that at the end of this video. So if you'd like to know who won, stick around till the end. All right, so let's move over to a niche, number one niche for today. So most of the niches for today has to do with sports, because sports has been trending, guys. So most of the time I just leave my Google Trends tab open like this, because during the day new trends pop up, and what I do is I just do a quick refresh, and I see that new things have started popping up. And if you can take a look at this, the reason why I say sports is my number one trend for today is because let me click a bit more. The Euro 2021 finals, I think was it on Friday or Saturday, Argentina played with Brazil. Then on Saturday, yeah, it was Friday if I'm not mistaken. Then on Saturday, Italians played with England, and Italians beat England. So those shirts are going crazy on Amazon. Shirts related to Italy, Italian shirts, as well as Argentinian shirts are really selling like crazy. So this is one of the reasons why I recommend that you use Google Trends, because something as huge as this, right? Look at this, 5 million searches. It should tell you that there is something going under the radar. There's something that is happening that you should be aware of. And when I'm not sure about it, if it's a new niche, new topic, I just click on it and it takes me to a new page and I read about it. If it's something that I can create a t-shirt for, I go ahead and just open a new tab for my merch informer and I start creating a design. So that's basically how I go about creating my designs for all the print on demand platforms. So that's just one way that I use to get my niches. The second way I use to get my niches is through Google. So as you can see right here, it says watch the NBA finals live on YouTube. That means that that's another sporting event that is taking place. Google is telling you that something is trending that you should be aware of, and when you click here on YouTube, it'll take you straight to the sporting page. And although I'm not subscribed, just from Google tells me that NBA finals is going on and I should be making shirts for this event. Now if I'm not sure what teams are playing for the NBA finals, all I need to do is type NBA finals teams or schedule. Alright, so you see here are the two teams that are playing, Phoenix Suns and Milwaukee Bucks. Now if Obviously these names are trademark, but if you say let's say for example Italy is not trademarked, and no, if it was Italy playing against England, those two names are not trademarked. That means I can go ahead and make designs for those shirts. But as you can see, Phoenix Suns and Milwaukee Bucks, these are trademark names. If I thought you want to go ahead and create designs for this shirt, please make sure not to use names like this, Milwaukee Bucks or Phoenix Suns. Just make general basketball t-shirts. So that's just a quick tip there. Now I'm gonna go into the 5 niches for today. So I hope that was helpful, guys. I just had to get that out of my mind because I realized that many people are looking for ways to get trends. And although I've made a video about it in the past, um, I just like to refresh on it every given opportunity. So for niche number one, as I told you guys before, Italy shirts are selling like crazy. So this one is the Italy flag, red, white, green. Then as you can see, overall trend is up, current trend is up, and the base has been going up and down, up and down. And look at this, I think it's already at 1 here or approaching 1. Now the keywords you can use, like I told you, Italy is not trademark, so of course you can use the word Italy, you can use the word flag, drapeau. This is French for flag, and couleur, this is colors and things like that. So these keywords, I'm thinking this is the French marketplace. Yeah, French marketplace. So like I told you guys before, I like going to all the marketplaces, not just the US, because I think there are always some hidden niches popping up in the international marketplaces, and we're not aware of it just because I don't tend to look there. But as of some time ago, I started looking at all the marketplaces, so we can see new designs or different ways to make our designs. So this is one of them, and the keywords that you can use, like I told you before, Italia or Italy, flag, Italians, designs, colors, and things like that. Country, city, actually it's a country, not a city. And from the same brand, it is green, white, red, and it says, "I'm not yelling, I'm Italian." So that's another design pattern. It has sold a couple of times, priced $29.99. Wow, that's a huge royalty right there, guys. Wow, that's impressive. All right, that was our niche number one. Niche number two, Tokyo, guys. So, like I told you guys before, another niche that will start popping up in a couple of weeks to come will be the Olympics, Tokyo Olympics 2021, 2020, 2021. And although people are not allowed to be there live, apart from the players, but it's a very huge niche that t-shirts have already started selling. And as you can see, this t-shirt design is very plain. It says just Tokyo. What I wouldn't advise you to do is to make anything related to the Olympics or maybe 2021, something like that, because it's relating to an event, the Tokyo Olympics, which Amazon will not want because that is obviously trademark. So as you can see, it is a plain design. It just says Tokyo. Tokyo is a city. It is not related to anything Olympics. As you can see, the description is very plain. It just says Tokyo, Japan, vintage disasters. Very simple. Obviously, people are gonna be making purchases for Tokyo design shirts because they know that the Olympics is coming, but the t-shirt has not said anything related to the Olympics. So that is definitely what we should be doing. And as you can see, the BSR dropped, then the BSR dropped, then rose. So it's been steady, and the keywords you can use is Tokyo, Japan, retro, camiseta. So overall trend is down for now, but I can promise you in the future, coming up ahead is gonna pick up like crazy because Tokyo Olympics is fast approaching. So I'll advise you guys to make a couple of shirts and just shoot it up and just obviously do some more research and make good shirts and upload it to all your print on demand platforms. So keywords you can use Tokyo, Japan, retro, I don't know what camiseta is, and I'm sure it's a brand name. Okay, so the same brand, the same design on a hoodie. Moving on to our next niche, Italia, still Italia. So these are different ways you can research. One of the ways, if I want to make a design and I'm not sure how to go about it, the thing that I like doing is going on Amazon itself and search. Let's say, for example, I line myself on Amazon and I'm searching for Italian shirt, and I'm not sure how to design. I just like clicking on it, typing the word in the search bar in the marketplace that the design is trending, and I try to take a look at other designs that are selling. So as you can see, these are the first designs that are killing it. It basically says, this one says, I'm not yelling, I'm Italian. So this one, 17.99, and it is sponsored. And this one is not KDP. It's not, wait, hold on. It is Prime, so it's definitely Metro Amazon. So as you can see, this one is selling simple words like this and just a line with green, white, red. So you can tell that this is designs that are unique, and these are designs that people are making, especially something like this and this. Basically words with some stars and some lines. So it's not difficult to make such designs. So this is the fastest way that I do to do my keyword research. Then I go ahead making my designs. So that was it for that niche, Italian niche. And look at this. Overall trend is up, current trend is up. Like I told you guys, Google Trends says so. It's Euro 2021. Italia won over England, beat England. So people are buying Italian shirts to celebrate. So if you haven't put up shirts for Italy, you should do that as fast as possible. So this niche has been popping on my radar. I love hot moms. I'm not sure why this is trending, but I've been seeing it a lot trending. And if you guys know why this is trending, please let me know why. Please let me know in the comment section below. So as you can see, overall trend is up, current trend is up, and it has been going down and up, down and up, but obviously it's approaching 1. And it's just a text designs, guys. See how simple this is. I heart hot moms. It's a very easy design to make, guys. So the keywords you can use: moms, heart, girlfriend, boyfriend, daddy, love, and things like that. And the same brand is the same design. Oh, this one actually is that. So you see how you can easily switch up mom to dad, switch up dads to uncles, uncles to aunties. I love hot aunties, I love hot uncles, I love hot brothers, I love hot sisters. I don't know if that brothers and sisters is going to rhyme well, but you can just put it down. You don't know, it might sell. So as you can see, this one right here has been selling 3.85, less than 2, but it already has a review. So you can, as you can see, this t-shirt, this design is doing quite well. All right, so Italia again, guys. Italia is doing quite well. So this one is using very thin font, Italia, and 9 sales, over 2 reviews, price £17.99. Overall trend is up, current trend is up. I'm not going to talk much about this because I've already explained why it is trending, and this was probably an error. I repeated this. I'm just going to exit it. So next design, next niche number 4 is this England football shirt. So like I told you guys, this is not supposed to be trending right now because England lost, but surprisingly, overall trend is up, current trend is up. It was just yesterday, so surprisingly it's still trending, guys. So you can still try up some shirts there and see if it sells, because this is priced $18.99. Not bad in reality. And keywords: England football country, flag, shirt. Obviously not shirt. Yeah, not shirt. Also obviously similar designs, nothing related to that. And next niche number 5. So this design is similar to this design that we saw here, this Italia. Let's see, I think it is the same thing. So this shirt has popped up on Flying Research, and is what, number 5 right here, yeah, on the US marketplace, Italia. So right here, yeah, it's the same thing, guys. So this shirt price at $21.99. Okay, this one is in the French marketplace. So it's the same person who has replicated this design on all the marketplaces. So guys, that's what you should be doing. If your design is selling well on one marketplace, definitely enable it to all the marketplaces. I know Amazon says I know Amazon sent a message to us telling us that they're going to enable our designs in all the marketplaces. But before that is done, they whenever they make an announcement like that, they love to roll it out from the top tiers down to the last tier. So before it arrives us, before that feature arrives the lower tiers, you can definitely make some more sales by enabling your designs to other marketplaces like this person has done right here. So this one is in the French marketplace, and as we can see, I made a search for the .com marketplace, which is the US marketplace, and it's doing quite well. 24 reviews, priced at 21.99, and back here it is 21.99 pounds, over 7 reviews, and in the French marketplace. So guys, we're moving on to the second part of this video, which is revealing the names of the people who won our last week's giveaway. So as usual, we're gonna go to our previous video, grab the URL and go to the comment picker, scroll down to YouTube comment contest, and paste the link. Then click on filter duplicate users, include replies to comments, and get YouTube comments. So let's see. Alright, so I want to click start, and it's gonna be picking one person who's gonna win. Smith John, congrats to you for winning a giveaway. So Smith John says thank you so much. Thank you for watching, Smith John. Nice to have you here. And you can contact me by going to my YouTube page and going to the about section, and just click on the view email address, and you'll be able to contact me, and we'll be able to contact you. We'll be able to schedule a one-on-one call. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for hanging out with me. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.